because ntataka kwa David Clinton Hoffman na chairman okorokunga Momanyi, we are not pushovers because we understand the law and it is within us the law to protect us through our skull, whereby we work to the authorities and they came, they did what we did, we were not scratched, we get out of those places. Lakini later abantu wetu pikipimba to where we were seated, this is what was happening, we understand this is what is happening. But one thing that I want to say, whatever happened. But I want to tell my brother, Oyore Paul Simbarati, that is stooping too low. That is stooping too low. And does it mean I cannot have lunch with my chairman in an hotel, even if it means we are discussing him? It doesn't matter. We will understand because Simba Mwanavan. We will understand. Kwani is he God? He's not God. The only person that we cannot discuss, but again we can discuss him